What is up, guys? It is Mubeen here, and today we've got a quick video and it's about this phone case for the LG K8 2017 phone. So let's get started. So this is the actual case I've got for my phone, and it comes in the silver color. Oops, sorry, I'm not showing you. It comes in silver color, the black color, pink as well, and grey, and I think that's brown. I'm not sure. It just doesn't look that clear. So here's pink, and then there's black as well, and then there's brown again, pink again. Yeah, and this is the one that I've got. And so I didn't get this because it was cheap. I got this because it was actually a really nice design, and I thought that this was actually textured, like it looks as if people just folded it and like creased it out, but no, it's really smooth. And I will show you what phones you can get this for as well, as you can see on the screen. So as you can see, here's the classy protective case. Here are the features that no one cares about, and this is what they care about. So it's LG K8 2017. There are a couple downsides with this, and I will show you. I have to do this one-handed since I'm holding the camera in one hand. Curse you, Abid, taking my tripod. That can get out of the way, and that's all that comes. That's all that comes in the actual box. Just two pieces of plastic, the case, and some foam to support the thing. So here is the actual case itself. It's a magnetic case, so they don't have those disgusting flap thingies that have the magnet that stick out and stuff. In fact, there's I think there's magnets on the side somewhere, or somewhere on the corners, and so that's how it sticks, and that's really cool, so it's really smooth. Anyways, let's try put this phone in there, and it fits nicely. Yeah, it fits quite nicely, even though the thing is that even though it's for the LG K8 2017, it's a little loose, look, as you can see, so that doesn't matter. And then here are the downsides. This phone, if I can show you, this phone has a headphone jack, but the actual case doesn't have a headphone jack. And then there's a random hole up here, which technically does nothing, as you can see. And then if we close this, that's sort of okay, even though it's not aligned properly, which is driving me crazy. The speaker is not lined up properly, if you can see that, so it doesn't muffle your speaker though. So yeah, at least whatever I listen to, it doesn't sound muffled. But yeah, as you can see, it's strong and firm, but still it's a really nice case, apart from those downsides. But if you want to get this case, then, and you love your headphone jack like I do, I suggest you don't get this case. Well, the seller didn't tell me about it, otherwise I would have not got it. But still, the only option I have is to just get wireless headphones, because these wired headphones have just been driving me crazy. So if you have wired headphones, that's great for you, so you don't need to worry about this issue, unless you just like cut your own little hole for this, for the actual headphone jack, then that won't be an issue for you, as long as you're okay with that. But I'm just saying it's gonna make the case look ugly, so I'm just gonna save up my money and get like a Bluetooth pair of headphones and stuff. So yeah, that's all that is for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, share it to others, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when a new video comes out, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.